Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to get a Bluevine business credit card. So, let's get started. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to apply for a Bluevine business credit card and what you need to know to get approved. A business credit card is a powerful tool that gives your company extra purchasing power without tapping into your cash reserves. It helps you manage cash flow, earn rewards, and build business credit. Here's how it works. Bluevine will review your company finances and credit history. Approval depends mainly on your business finances, though your personal credit may also be considered. Once approved, you can use the card to pay for business expenses, earn cash back, and access higher credit limits as your business grows. Who can qualify? Corporations and LLCs that have been in business for a while usually qualify. Sole proprietors and freelancers may have options with certain issuers, including Bluevine. Business charge cards or prepaid cards are also available for businesses with lower personal credit. Documents you'll need to apply: legal business name, industry, business address, federal tax ID, EIN, incorporation documents, business email and phone number, years in business, monthly expenses and annual revenue, details of additional owner's requirements, revenue minimums depending on the card, business and personal credit score requirements, years in business, typically at least 6 to 12 months, industry restrictions, tips to get the best Bluevine business credit card. 1. Research your options. Compare card features, fees, and APR before applying. 2. Consider your business expenses. Look for cashback or rewards in the categories you spend the most, like travel or office supplies. 3. Compare benefits. Narrow your choices and pick the card with the best combination of rewards, fees, and integration with your business banking. Once you have everything ready, go to the Bluevine website, fill in your business details, verify your information, and submit your application. Approval is usually quick if your business meets the requirements. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.